guys, happy Vlogmas day 2. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a dump and go meal in the Instant Pot. I borrowed the Instant Pot from my cousin just to see if I like it before I think about purchasing one. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing here. So the first thing I did is put on the saute function, and it's hot, and I put in some cooking oil, and now I'm going to put some chicken in there and just saute it up a bit. Okay, so I'm browning up the chicken. Okay, the saute function is turned off. I just put the chicken breasts back in and put some chicken seasoning on it. Now, I'm going to put 2 chopped up carrots and a diced onion inside there. And then these potatoes. Okay, guys, all my veggies are in there. I'm going to put in some pepper, but not too much because Mike doesn't like a lot of pepper. And I'm going to put in, because I can add my own pepper later, I'm going to put in some pink Himalayan salt. And we're going to put in, like, garlic. Hold on a second, I'll get the garlic. Okay, I put in a few cloves of minced garlic, because you can never have too much garlic in this household. Now, because I don't have chicken broth, I'm going to make my own by using the little packet from the Lipton chicken noodle soup. I have the reduced salt one, so just bear with me a minute and I'll get that and put it in. So I'm improvising a bit here. I put in Lipton chicken noodle soup, the reduced salt kind. So this is going to make our chicken broth. And now I'm going to add 8 cups of water. Alright guys, so I now have everything in here. So now we're going to put this on, the lid on. And we're going to seal it. And here comes the hard part. Well, it's not hard, but here comes, like, okay, once you have everything set, do not let any kids or anything near this, because this is going to have a lot of pressure inside of it. Oh, make sure this is set to seal. Okay, it's set to seal. And we're going to go, where's it at? Where's it at? We don't want rice. We want pressure cook. And we want it at high. And I gotta find out the minutes. Hold on. Okay, so I have to go pressure cook. And I gotta put it on 25 minutes. Now, that doesn't mean it's starting 25 minutes from now. It's gonna turn on. And then it has to build the pressure. So we'll wait for the on. It could take up to 20 minutes to build the pressure. So now it's on. And I'm not going to stand here and wait for it, but I'll show you guys what it says when the pressure. What happens is it'll go to 25 and then it'll count down from 25. Okay, so I'll come back and show you guys that in a few minutes. Okay guys, if you can see that, it is doing its counting thing now. So, and it says warm, that's okay, and it's on the pressure cook setting. So I don't remember if this counts down or counts up. We'll see when that 6 changes, if it goes to 5 or 7. It's like watching paint dry. Like a pumpkin laying in the kitchen. Odie. Okay, it's counting down. So we have 5 minutes left, and then we can either let the pressure release on its own, or we can release it. So we'll wait and see. Okay guys, it turned off. I could release it on my own right now, or I can let it release on its own. I'm going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes, and then whatever pressure is left in it after that, we'll do a quick release. So I think that's what we're going to do. So as you can see, the pin is up, which means it's full of pressure, so do not remove the lid from it at all, or you might blow yourself up or get burnt really bad. So I'll let it naturally release for about 10 minutes. We're not quite ready to eat yet anyway, so we'll let the natural release go. Okay, so it's been releasing on its own for 16 minutes. The pin hasn't dropped yet, but we're going to get Mike to switch it over to venting. Mike, you might want to use a mitt. Because the steam's going to pop out, so switch it over to the other setting, the valve.
What, this button here?
Yeah. Watch you don't hit yourself with the steam. You scared the cat.
I guess it did.
It's okay, Pumpkin. So that's releasing on its own now. So we'll just let that release. We'll have to fish out the chicken and shred the chicken up when it's done releasing. Okay guys, so here's what it's looking like. And I took the chicken out so I can use my masher here, after I get that hair off of it, to shred it up. Mike's shredding it up for me. Alright, Mike, that looks like it's good enough. You can have some chunkier pieces. Can you slowly dump that back into the pot?
Yes.
Just don't burn yourself.
No, I do it this way, so if it splashes there and not here.
Okay. He knows what he's doing. I'm recording and he's helping. Alright, that's good enough. It doesn't matter if there's a couple little pieces. And then give it a good stir again. Now, would you like to go up to Sobeys and get some buns or something? Because we can put the lid just back over the top of it and keep it on warm.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to go to Sobeys and get some buns or something to have with it. And I will update you guys when we eat it. You don't have to lock it in place. Just leave it on the top because it's still on warm. Alright, so we'll be back with a taste test. Okay, so we got some milk brioche rolls for our supper. Okay, guys, here's my supper. I'll do a taste test for you guys. Alright, guys, you guys can stay with me for the first taste. I'm going to dip my bun into here, first of all. Sorry, I know my bun's in the way. There we go. Alright. It's pretty good. And let's try. I got some carrot and some chicken here. It's nice. It's basic. If I had chicken broth, it would be a bit better. But it's really good. So, that's a thumbs up. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye everyone.